wars. You're competing for this chain. And upon winning this chain, you must learn to stand like this. This is all about creativity and skill. If you were to take this piece of material right now and bend it, you can see how this kind of looks like, you're gonna use your imagination, but we're gonna pretend it looks like Thor's hammer.
Okay.
Okay, you know what I'm talking about? All right, so here's what you have to do. You're gonna have to bend these, you're gonna have to weld them, and then I gave you the TIG rod to come up with some type of artistic handle. This is the ultimate in creativity. You're gonna turn this TIG rod into something really cool. All right, so at this point in time, get in your welding stations. So here's how it works. They got 20 minutes to take a bunch of pieces of steel that we cut out on the Swift Cut CNC plasma table, and they gotta turn it into Thor's hammer or something that looks like that. This is a skills competition. Creed in one corner, Jonathan in one corner. It's Florida versus Texas. 20 minutes starts now. What you got so far?
A rough shape.
I like rough shapes. All right, let me see where our other competitor's at. How's it going over here, Creed? Are you really gonna TIG weld that whole thing? Oh, I like it. Time's up, tools down, step away from your welding station. That's how they say it on those TV shows, right? See, I know that. All right, so let's go into booth 1 to judge. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. We're in the Panama City, Florida. All right, so talk me through this. Welding processes used are?
MIG, or metal inert gas.
All MIG. Okay, so we got all MIG. So we got some, we took our thing, we bent it into shape here. A little blow through here and there.
Yeah, that's some thin metal. That's some
thin metal. Yeah, we cut it out of super thin metal for you. All right, so this is our Florida entrance. Now let's go over and check out. Let's see what happened in Texas. All right, so here we go. All right, talk to me here, sir. What kind of welding process did we use?
I used TIG.
All right, we used some TIG. Okay, so I'm liking the twisted handle. Oh, I like how you wrapped it. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, I see. I see. So we TIG.
I didn't have enough time to go back and weld it.
I understand. I understand. Okay. The first Spark Wars winner is Creed from Texas. All right. Congratulations. You get this. Now you have something fine enough to be buried in. And you also get this Sentinel A60 Welding Hood. Congratulations. All right, that ends this episode of Spark Wars.